Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to share a few low-calorie dessert recipes for weight loss. Desserts are often associated with indulgence and are considered to be high in calories, making them a no-go for anyone trying to lose weight. However, with a little creativity, it is possible to enjoy desserts while keeping the calorie count low. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will explore low-calorie dessert recipes that are delicious, easy to make, and perfect for weight loss. These recipes are not only healthy but also satisfying and guilt-free. Why choose low-calorie desserts? Low-calorie desserts are a great option for anyone trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Desserts are typically high in calories due to their sugar, fat, and calorie-dense ingredients. However, by making a few substitutions and adjustments, it is possible to create desserts that are low in calories but still taste great. Choosing low-calorie desserts can help you satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your weight loss goals. Tips for making low-calorie desserts. Making low-calorie desserts requires some knowledge and creativity. Here are some tips to help you create delicious and healthy desserts. 1. Choose low-calorie ingredients. When making low-calorie desserts, it is essential to choose ingredients that are low in calories but still add flavor and texture to the dish. Some examples of low-calorie ingredients include fresh fruits, Greek yogurt, low-fat milk, and sugar substitutes like stevia and monk fruit. 2. Cut down on sugar. Sugar is one of the main contributors to high-calorie desserts. To reduce the calorie count of your desserts, try cutting down on the amount of sugar used in the recipe or use a sugar substitute. 3. Use healthy fats. While fats are calorie-dense, not all fats are created equal. Choose healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and seeds, which provide essential nutrients while also adding flavor and texture to your desserts. 4. Portion control. Even low-calorie desserts can be high in calories if you eat too much. Practice portion control by measuring your portions or using smaller serving dishes. 5. Experiment with flavors. Low-calorie desserts don't have to be boring. Experiment with different flavors and ingredients to create delicious and healthy desserts that you'll love. Now, let's explore some low-calorie dessert recipes that are perfect for weight loss. Low-calorie dessert recipes for weight loss. Berry yogurt parfait. Ingredients. 1 cup low-fat Greek yogurt. 2. 1/2 cup mixed berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. 3. 1/4 cup granola. 4. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Directions. In a small bowl, mix together the Greek yogurt and honey, if using. In a separate bowl, mix together the mixed berries. In a glass or jar, layer the yogurt mixture, berry mixture, and granola. Repeat the layering until all ingredients are used up. Serve immediately or refrigerate until ready to serve. Nutrition facts. Calories, 250, protein, 18 grams, carbs, 40 grams, fat, 3 grams. 2. Chocolate avocado pudding. Ingredients. 1 ripe avocado, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 cup almond milk, 1/4 cup maple syrup. Directions. In a blender or food processor, combine the avocado, cocoa powder, almond milk, and maple syrup. Blend until smooth and creamy. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Serve in small bowls or cups. Nutrition facts. Calories, 150, protein, 2 grams, carbs, 18 grams, fat, 9 grams. 3. Banana oatmeal cookies. Ingredients. 2 ripe bananas, mashed, 1 cup rolled oats, 1/4 cup raisins, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, optional. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Directions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine the mashed bananas, rolled oats, raisins, chopped nuts, and vanilla extract. Mix well until all ingredients are well combined. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture onto a lined baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven and let cool before serving. Nutrition facts. Calories, 80, Protein, 2 grams. Carbs, 14 grams. Fat, 2 grams. 4. Strawberry frozen yogurt. Ingredients: 2 cups frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup low-fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Directions: in a blender or food processor, combine the frozen strawberries, Greek yogurt, and honey, if using. Blend until smooth and creamy. Serve immediately or freeze for later. Nutrition facts: calories, 120, protein, 7 grams, carbs, 20 grams, fat, 1 gram. 5. Apple crisp. Ingredients: 4 apples, peeled and chopped, 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/4 cup chopped nuts, almonds or pecans, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Directions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine the chopped apples, rolled oats, chopped nuts, maple syrup, and cinnamon. Mix well until all ingredients are well combined. Transfer the mixture to a baking dish. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the apples are soft and the topping is golden brown. Remove from the oven and let cool before serving. Nutrition facts: calories, 180, protein, 3 grams, carbs, 32 grams, fat, 6 grams. Conclusion: low-calorie desserts can be a delicious and satisfying way to indulge your sweet tooth without sabotaging your weight loss goals. By choosing low-calorie ingredients, cutting down on sugar, and experimenting with flavors, it is possible to create desserts that are both healthy and delicious. The recipes provided in this video are a great starting point for anyone looking to enjoy desserts while keeping the calorie count low. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.